I will show you how to make a gold effect. Open, select and select subject. Pressing Command-Control+J to make a copy. Select background layer, open layer style and select solid color. Select black color and click OK. Select copy layer, right click and select convert to smart object. Open image. Click adjustments and select black and white. Trace black color and click OK. Open layer style and select curves. Now copy settings like me. Open layer style and select color lookup. Select edgy amber, 3DL. Complete design. Thanks for watching.